Hi there, my name is Shanizo, and I'm going to show you how you can make both iOS and Android app by using the Kotlin Multiplatform mobile. So this is the keyword and this is the official website. You can find some instructions on this website. For this, I'll be using an Android Studio as well as Xcode because iOS apps can be created by Xcode as well as you need Mac OS to run Xcode on it. It is not supported by Windows, but you can install a virtual machine and install Mac on that and then use the Xcode. So first of all, I'll be going to the preferences of the Android Studio. And here you can write Kotlin Multiplatform Mobile and install it. It will ask you to restart your IDE. You will click create new project. It's not showing the Kotlin mobile. Let me check. You have to enable it. Okay. And restart it. Create new project. And you will see KMM application. Click next. Write the name of your project. I've selected the minimum SDK to 7. Next. So this would be the name of your Android application and this would be the iOS app name and this would be the shared module, or like if you say this would be the shared framework between the iOS and the Android. I'll click finish. I saw a lot of tutorial on the websites and examples, but they are very complicated. Not very, but maybe enough complicated for me. So I'll try to keep this as simple as possible. So the Gradle asked me for the update and I've said, okay, you can update. Okay, so the Gradle has finished. I'll click on the project and I'll try to explain the structure. So basically you will have a Android app, a iOS app and a shared folder. That is your shared framework or the module that will be shared by the iOS and the Android. Here you can find the source and common main. In the common main, you will have the identifier for the project as well as initially two classes, greeting and platform. So in the greeting, there's a function which will return a string saying hello platform. And in the platform, it's a class with a variable platform data type string. So first of all, I'll show you after running the Android app. So it is saying hello Android 30 And if I try to run the iOS app from here, it will not run because usually the iOS apps require signing before they can run. So in order to run this app, you can click on the iOS app from the project window of the Android Studio, and you can reveal in Finder, and here you can see the iOS app and click on this Xcode project. Then select your project and go to signing and capabilities, and here you can select your profile. You can create a free account and test on it, but I already have, so I'll select my team name and I'll run it. So here it says hello iOS 14.1. Remember, the signing is in the targets. Now I'll explain you the structure of how it works. As told previously, this is the shared module in which there's the source, there's the common main, and everything you put here will be shared between the iOS and the Android. If you want to put something extra for the Android, you can put it in the Android main. If you want to put something extra for the iOS, you can put it in the iOS main. Uh, and then, okay, so how this works. This is the Android app. This I'll go to the source, main, Java, identifier, and main activity.kt. So here I have a function greet which will get uh, which will return a string from greeting. Greeting is a class, and in that class there's a function named as greeting. I'll show you. This is the name of the class greeting, and this is the function in this class which returns hello platform. And you can import it by saying like default com.share.demo.share.greeting, and it's the same structure for the iOS too. By default, the main uh, file of your iOS app is content view after iOS 13, and here you can see the shared module has been imported, and there's a function greet which returns a string from greeting class.greeting, and you can see this text in a text view similar to that you can see it in a text view in Android. So that's the basic concept of this Kotlin multi-platform mobile. Now I'll simply try to play with it. So to make things more clear, I'll make a function similar to the greeting named as hello world, which returns a string saying hello world. I'll save it, and now I'll come to the main activity and create a function over here saying hello world, which will return the hello world function from the class greeting. And here I'll print the hello world. Sorry, I selected. Okay, so I've selected the Android and I'll run this. So as you can see, it says hello world. Similarly, I'll go to my Xcode and create a hello world function. And I'll run this. Okay, I have to change this. Hello world. So as you can see here, I can see the hello world. Now I'll separate it. So again, I'll go to the shared common main, and here I'll create a new class named as hello world. Copy the same, name it as hello world. I'll remove this function from here, and I'll remove the hello world function from here. So now in my greeting class, I'll have the greeting function, and in my hello world, I have the hello world function. Then I'll go back to the main activity, and here I can import my hello world class by using the similar identifiers as shown above. Demo.shared.hello world, and here I'll get the hello world from the hello world class, which is hello world dot hello world, and simply I'll print it hello world. Okay, again, if I go back to the Xcode, I can get this hello world function from my hello world class. Okay, I'll run it again. So here you see I can get the hello world from the hello world class now. So that was the basic idea of a cross platform. And one more thing, if you go to iOS app in general in the targets, you can see the shared framework. You can click on it and say show in Finder, and you can even export or use it somewhere else. Maybe you want to distribute something or make a shared library of your app, you can do that. Okay, so this was the basic idea of the Kotlin multi-platform mobile. You can play with it, test, make new apps as you like. So that was it for the tutorial. If I've helped you in some way, you can like and subscribe. And if you have a suggestion or maybe stuck into some issue, you can comment it down and As soon as I get some time, I'll reply to it. So see you until next time.